Okay, let's get some flower cone. I'm gonna use a little violet cone. I think that's it. Probably should get my compost too. Nature doesn't stop for broken gear. My microphone completely broke right after I started filming this, and I didn't realize I have filmed so many different things. We're going to be working on the pollinator garden, and this is my fire pit, the bottom, and I added this pot this season. I just wanted to get more height and more drama in this corner. So I'm going to be planting all these flowers in the pollinator garden. And I am going to do this little basket here. Let's add a lot more color to this area. Okay, I got a basket at the same place I got the one last year. Oh, I just carried all the way here. This thing is so heavy. It has this petunia, verbena. It has lobelia, I think it's called. It has a pink one. And it has a blue one, and it has this little flame looking ones that are so pretty. Oh, I did it. So as you remember last year, I feed it the super bloom on a gallon of water once a week. And they will grow so large. It's just the beginning right now. Can't wait to see it all grown. I do have a Shasta daisy there, and I added a snapdragon. It's like a bronze color, and then there's a hollyhock to the right. It's a cardinal, so it's a pink color. So this will be gorgeous when it starts blooming. I cannot wait. The rose is really starting to bloom a lot. So I have all these red roses there. And this tree with the yellow-green color, it looks so pretty. I think it just will add a lot to the yellow petunias I'm going to put throughout.
괜찮다 믿으면 또다시 relay 내 맘속 깊은 곳 어딘가 계속 너를 내게 돌려보내 습관처럼 뱉던 말 괜찮다고 하지만 사실 난 하나도 괜찮지가 않은데 널 갖다 지우기를 몇 번 보낼까 고민 수백 번 오늘 밤도 또 너를 replay해 돌고 돌아 결국도 replay 괜찮다 믿으면 또다시 relay 내 맘속 깊은 곳 어디가 계속 나를 내게 돌려보내 돌려보고 또 멈췄다 play 마지막처럼만 계속돼 replay 네가 떠나 그날부터 난 이 시간 안에서 홀로 replay 괜찮아진 것 같다가도 언뜻 네 소식이 들리면 알걸 울리는 노래
I left space on the large white pot for a dahlia, and here I'm gonna leave space for the black-eyed Susan. Those are two things that just can't take the cold very well, so I'm gonna have to be patient and just wait. I'm not the best at that.
Just won't leave me alone 이제 나를 알아보겠어 No one can truly see inside 너 말해 I understand you 살며시 숨
top pot some of my plants because it's not getting warm enough that I can plant anything. So I'm gonna start with tomatoes. I have the orange accordion and the pink tang. I only need one. The other one I'm gonna leave it in the same pot. Ooh. I have planted it pretty deep already, so I don't think I'm gonna put it down so much. Get a glove. I just wanted to keep on growing. That's the orange accordion. And I'm gonna do, these are super thin. I got these on Amazon and they're like paper, these pots. So I am not crazy. I'll have to look. I'll have to get rid of them after one use. They were really inexpensive. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money. Let's do this one. This is a new tomato for me, but everybody gives it a really good review, so. Oh, they're so dry. Okay. There's two of them. I made the decision that the garden cannot wait anymore. It is just dropping into the 40s sometimes at night, but I want a big harvest and I just don't want to wait. So the tomatoes are going in. This kitchen garden, between the pollinator garden and the weather, I'm so dependent on both to get a really good harvest. I'm going to do what I always do every season. I have a trellis in the middle of this big old round garden bed, and I place a string, and then I place the tomato plant on top. This will allow me to have a super compact tomato plant since this is an indeterminate tomato, and I can control it a lot better and grow a lot more veggies in this tiny 42-inch round garden bed. This works, so I'm going to do it to both beds.
This old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. You're sweet, Lord, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk away, but your hold on me won't get away. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers.
Days like I had today reminds me that the garden isn't built in a single afternoon. It is just an accumulation of every routine and every day that I come out and just take care of it, regardless if it's chilly or too hot. It is super quiet type of progress where you just have to be patient. Look how these garden beds were last year. I just cannot wait. The pollinator garden allowed all of this to happen, because if it weren't for those pollinators and a few strategies that made the garden look more magical, I would not have such beautiful seasons. I will see you next time in our cozy corner.